How to swap tokens on SafePal. Are you specifically to swap tokens on SafePal application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To swap tokens on SafePal, open the SafePal application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now click on Buy or Swap. After you click on Swap icon at the bottom of the screen, then choose the token you want to swap from and the token you want to receive. For example, swapping BNB for USDT, enter the amount and SafePal will automatically calculate the estimated value you will receive. Make sure your selected network is correct, like BNB Smart Chain or Ethereum, and check network fee as well. Once everything looks good, tap Swap, review the transaction summary, and hit Confirm. The token will be exchanged and sent directly to your wallet within a few months. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out the other videos on this channel for full guidance. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to swap tokens in SafePal. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.